I'm going to take you through our journey to go to Zimbabwe and to show you some like projects which are lined up for this holiday. It's gonna be 4 weeks and we're going to revamp our skylight or the laundry room and then do our kitchen. Took me a bit longer to do the kitchen because I wasn't sure of what I wanted and I kept changing my mind even for the gadgets or for the design I wanted, but now I'm sure I know what I want and this project is gonna go on. So I'll leave you to watch the project and everything and I'll see you.
It's been too long now, I think that I want. I second guess you, I second guess me, I second guess them, don't second guess me. Live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. Live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. So come a little closer, but don't hold your breath. Silence in the background, violence in your eyes now. Remember that time you gave your heart to me. Remember that time when life was like a dream. You know what I know. You know what I know. I need to hold you close to me. Life is our game that we play. I won't get away. We can find a safe within our company. Within our company. Within our company. So come closer to me. Come a little closer.
Msana wenyu
it's been too long now, I think that I want. I second guess you, I second guess me, I second guess them, don't second guess me. So come a little closer. I need an intervention, divine intervention.